In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Tag Manager GTM tracking code and ID. Whether you're setting up a new account or just need to locate these details for an existing one, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to tagmanager.google.com. This is the primary platform where you'll manage your Google Tag Manager settings and configurations. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at your GTM account dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all your containers, which are essentially the storage for your tags, rules, and macros. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here, as it will make future navigation a breeze. Look through the list of containers until you find the specific one associated with the website or application you're currently managing. Click on its name. By doing this, you'll be directed into the container's specific settings. Here, at the top right hand corner of your screen, you'll see your GTM container ID. It's crucial to know this ID as it's uniquely associated with your container. Think of it as your container's identification number. It's typically in a format like GTM followed by a series of numbers and letters. Now that we've located the container ID, let's proceed to get the installation code, which is often referred to as the tracking snippet. Click directly on the GTM container ID. This action will trigger a pop-up to appear, and inside this pop-up you'll find two important code snippets. Each of these snippets serves a particular purpose. The first snippet is designed for placement within the section of your website's HTML. On the other hand, the second snippet is destined for the section. It's important to copy both of these snippets exactly as they are. For these tags to function properly, you'll want to ensure the first snippet is pasted as high in the of your website's HTML document as possible. This helps ensure your tags load quickly and efficiently. Similarly, the second snippet should go immediately after the opening tag. You don't want any other content interfering with the snippet's placement, as this could affect how your tags fire and potentially skew your data. With both snippets successfully placed, you are now ready to start using Google Tag Manager on your site. By effectively utilizing these tools, you can manage tracking and analytics with greater precision and ease. And that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully you found these instructions helpful and straightforward. Thank you for watching and happy tagging.